Eating healthier is a challenge in today's world. Convenient, high-calorie, and tasty food is available for most of us anytime we want it. Each day we are bombarded by expensive and effective marketing that make these red foods even more appealing. Yet there is a price to pay for these foods. It doesn't mean you can't have them at all, just that to meet your optimal health and healthy weight goals, you will have to find the right balance between the green, yellow, and red foods for you. Here are some tips to finding a nutrition plan that helps you achieve your goals. Number one, get knowledgeable. Between the food industry marketing, the health benefits of their processed foods, and experts with convincing but flawed data to support the latest diet craze, it's no wonder many people are confused about what eating healthy means anymore. Our optimal health nutrition plan gets back to basics. Eat more foods that promote good health. Eat less foods that promote poor health and weight gain. Tip number two, eat at home. Most restaurants make eating healthy difficult. Besides not knowing what is in the food, it is often highly processed, especially fast food, and the portions are huge. Getting in the habit of eating at home more often can do wonders for your health and your healthy weight goals. Tip number three, have go-to meals that you love. Find a few easy to make, healthy meals you can get on the table in less than 20 minutes and that you always have the ingredients on hand. Whole grain pasta with a good quality bottled sauce, natural peanut butter, banana and honey sandwich on whole grain bread, burrito bowls, stir fry, salads are just some ideas. Tip number four, prepare. Plan for the times when you are most likely to slip. Getting home late and you're starving, have the ingredients for your go-to meal always available. Eating fast food for lunch, bring leftovers from your healthy dinner the night before. Tip number five, don't go hungry. Skipping meals or starving yourself may seem like a good idea at the time, but long term it doesn't work. Concentrate instead on eating healthy food and not going hungry. Tip number six, make your first meal of the day count. Making your first meal of the day an automatic win makes the rest of the day's decisions that much easier. Tip number seven, depriving yourself won't work long term. Optimal health and lasting weight loss occur when you find the diet you like that promotes your health and weight goals. If broccoli is your least favorite food, promising yourself that you will force it down because it's good for me is not going to last. Besides, it's miserable. There are many paths to a healthy and delicious diet. Find one that best suits you. Tip number eight, small steps. You don't have to make drastic changes in the beginning. In fact, it's usually better not to. Start small with simple changes that you can live with. Little steps consistently applied lead to big changes in time. Tip number nine, minimize or avoid highly processed food. In a sentence, this is an underlying principle of all healthy diets. And tip number 10, don't be too hard on yourself. Knowing up front that you will have setbacks and make mistakes can help you recover from a lapse. You will have lapses. Don't let it derail your healthy weight goal. Eating healthy isn't easy. But then again, what worthwhile thing is? This information is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Don't make any decisions about your medical treatment without first talking to your doctor. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn how MD Team uses proven principles to help you achieve your best health, join our MD Team community by clicking the link below. And if you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to hit the bell and subscribe.